Hey, I never even saw. You just give me star. God bless you for the star. Hello, everybody. Choice. God go bless you. I appreciate your star. Thank you. God bless you, my people. How na day also na day fine. Thank you for the star. Really appreciate you. How na day also na day fine. Also na dey hear me. I dey do something for here. If na dey hear noise more na not mine. Okay. I just dey busy. Oh, thank you. I go appreciate well. God bless you. Don't be the first time when you dey give me star. I appreciate. Thank you. My people, area don't scatter. Hey. I beg, if you want call in, you can just send your invitation. I go accept them for you. May we talk. We there here, may we can't talk. Everybody get your opinion. One and no verse, I they do meet pie, okay? So the thing, so now make me I not show. I want to do meat pie for ground. I know say Christmas don't they come. So I want to do and put them for freezer. Go many well. So my people, not be smart, yo. I wanna see what he Korra wear yesterday. Way they say person when go talk truth. You know, see cloth tell where go where want go talk the truth. Mona no verse so. Na no say we they say Korra na celebrity. But the one we do yesterday, the way me I see. Mona no verse, so he got the stress. He said, now because of that one, he go Nigeria. Me, I no understand. The Mona no verse, so when we say me, I know I get they do all these things. Why she no organize well? Because I see one of your video where he can't do one kind, be like saying one cry. He said, then disappoint her. That one, this one. Waiting me, I see yesterday. Mona no verse, my people. Mona still talk now. Oh, my phone number they there. Mona not just call safe. Mona call. Una fit do it for you. Me I invite una go invite come. Then I go accept them because if you want call, I know fit with hand where I tell they do something for you. When I see video wetin Korra wear, I just dey shame for this side. Mona tell Korra say Korra no be abroad the day oh. Nyash just dey for grant. Even the people where even follow and go do the wetin she go do. Hey, be like people where they see for Joshua. You just use and take pack them. You understand? Sometimes it not be said to now because now no say na social media. We need to talk. If you know they understand something, now person go put you through. Me I be think say Korra go Nigeria. As you want go do that big Korra, you know. I be the thing say na one kind something way be no Korra you four people hand them. Maybe they not go tell you. Maybe some people not go tell you. You know say people love you. That one a normal thing. But we now we be say we'll come they tell you. People feel they tell say mind your business, do this one. Not be so. They say if you use money to do something, you go still they expect money back. Share I been a son that they tell. I think I told them that's what they talk. You will still they expect money back. The one where you just go do is like Ikweman Baba. No, what they call Ikweman Baba. All this my Baba thing, the time where we dey small, you understand? We'll come there. Now so you just be. Now so you just be. See Nyash for grant. Who can they call this time? Don't call me this time. No verse. Una know what we they call Ikweman Baba that time. The time where we they grow, nobody not do my Baba that time. Now so it just be. It just be like can people from here and then Jan una go they do my Baba, call my bye. Una understand now. People will not understand. All that play where we they play that time. We go they do one for West Sand Day, you know. Now so it just be. You know feel organized where? No nah. Mini Korra not be celebrity as we they call her. Now social media celebrity. All these people when they hear their name, oh Korra, No, they let your money they pay you if you want to use them for your team. No, let them they pay you. Use them and you work on. So that people go see the thing, go say, wow. You go the open yash for street. Person will come for America. Mother of two. Not be say you don't get the money to buy cloth. Not be say you don't get money to buy cloth. All your nash just dey grand. Wait till be that one now. Then they see people where still they do that kind of thing. All these people where they sing, then they try to cover their set. Make them go say, oh, this one just they responsible. Which kind of person go come say, my pikin come sit down, come they listen to this music? I don't understand. Go come sit down, go come they wash nyash. Come and they cover your body on a Nigeria you there. Oh. You know say na Nigeria you there. Oh. Na your business. Na my business. Oh. Yeah. Don't be waiting I see for social media. What did they do you? Now my business, so anything where I see, if I feel like I'll come. If I feel like I go throw away. Now that one I tell they spoil everything. You where the thought say now your business. Now your business, you go put that music for your pikin, make consider make on the washing yash. One of they tell them truth. You know organize well before you go down Nigeria. People they will be say they still they hear their music. Why you not try like that? Contact them. Do well, because me I don't understand all these things. People will be say then they grant. Don't be say you go Nigeria, go they stress yourself. Before you go call reach America again, and you call they get headache. They eat for street, they go. No, Korra, they not they do like that. They go cook better food. Don't be those one where you don't know whether they spit for inside. You don't know whether you understand. Your body not even come they okay with those food they get like that. You supposed to they know what you they eat for inside your stomach, what you go to put for your belly. This one come and say now your business. Now not they tell them the truth. You go Nigeria, may you go they do like that. May you go they buy food anywhere where you like, where you buy you chop and you know say when you don't come out from Nigeria, don't still take all your body, the system get as it be. Anything where you want take, you they be careful. The rubber where they not wash well, now they'll take give you food, you go chop. You not go worry those people where be say them they on ground. You must wash, it must worry you. But let go turn you one kind. You they suspect say I be they put something for inside. Whereas you not take care. All those fly where they fly up and down. Korra, why you go wear pants? For your music where you they say this music go be this one go be bomb, go be you know organized where? One of they tell them the truth. I know say Korra fans. You know organize where at all. Something like that. You for organize them where. The way you call you they relax for hotel. For it. AC go they make sure for your body. Those people because now your money they talk that time. You know? It's like some people now if they want to do document. When I let me share this video. If they want to do document, they not they stress it themselves. They will just give like agents where want to one. The agent now go do everything because now your money they talk. Korra no free put money. You go they do it by yourself. You were not there on ground. You don't tell where you come out. They not they do things like that. They not they do things like that. If you want to do your music, maybe say everybody go they play other music. You don't need say you must sneak head. You don't need say you must come open your nyash. No. Because when they see and all those boys, be very careful for Nigeria where you just do. You where you they open yourself, they go. You know, say Nigeria no law, no security, nothing. May you not go see person where be say, yeah, go come turn one kind go say, hey, see something for under. Make I kukuma una understand now. See something for here. Because now you go open and down. Because when you open something that you they expect somebody may come enter. Korra, be careful. You know organize well. They know they do things like that. Because when they talk say Korra get money, me no understand the kind of money where you say you get. You want go do something where be say they important for you. You go organize where? You for don't pay everything before you reach Nigeria self. They will come they wait for you. Because now your money they talk. Don't be say you can't reach Nigeria. Now you come they follow they go. You want follow this side. You dey go on this side. You can't dey pick people for streets. May una just come here, we just do a back. That one a back now. That one a back, Korra. Then now they do things like that, so more than they tell them the truth. Now so now do for luggage. Now say problem not there. It's not good. And I see your sister now just throw away you from one corner. That one was still there. That one not even my Korra. Whether Korra even in Nigeria self. Ojama so me. Korra where you know where? Hey, Jesus. One and not verse. All those people where you say then they hear their name. All these people where they sing. If they see Korra, what if they'll talk? For it. If they sing like this, they'll say what if they do this one self. You the think say about open yash for grant. Now your music go take go where it's supposed to go. No. Some people they don't like all that thing. She just dey grant. You know even cover around. This in America now she did. All those children, they go they look and they'll say this one. It be like say, I can't even put what you put for head? I don't even know. What you put for head? Oh God, more than no verse. It can't be like all those people where started when they are meta this thing just newly start. Way you know this one. All this crazy person when the John newly start their madness. Now so a job be yesterday. Maybe then they go out. The madness go just start. They'll just from there start with the cure for way put for head the attire. I was like, oh God. Let's say anyway, Korra. Now because of say you not get person where they put you through. Now you need somebody where go they tell you the way where you want to do one. People where know and pass you. You need to tell them, ask them. It good like this, then go arrange jam for you. Don't be the one where you they do. Because this one where you do now, only you want just use your mind, say do one like this, let me do it like this, let me do it. No, they work like that. No, they work. Now she say anytime we Korra dress naked, make people insult her. That's how she talk. Not be her sister. That one even the shame. Oh. That one the shame. Nothing say Nancy as he carry his sister go put for one corner, may go the stay there. Not be her fault. Oh. You know one person will go come spoil the house. Oh. Yours man dead there. Una know as may be now. When he go see something, just they fly up and down. The thing go you no understand now. Something where they under go raise. Before you go shook, I not go know. That one kukuma say, and my sister beg for they go one corner. First go one corner first because our house will not be naked. Now only Korra they do. I don't understand whether clock they prepare for body. I don't know. Even yesterday where be safe for if it come out. Yes, watch the video where they do. What they do for saloon. I don't watch how. You say if you hey now wow. Make sure they tell her now, make sure they try to they tell her say me they even Nigeria not good to open body. Okay? Nigeria. Make they not go to say this one get he head not correct. They'll just carry and follow those people. Where they recoup for Ukbo. All those people where they pick something for ground. Korra, you four people hand, they're not gonna tell you. You see that all your fans. They're not gonna tell Korra. Those people where they talk say they love her. They're not gonna tell them. They go they say do and where it was very nice. What is nice for them? What you see for them way nice? You see better person for them. You use and say pick people for street. They just do a back, man baba. It look like man baba. No be for real. It look like man baba. And that one, because of those one. Why you know you're doing for America? You for doing for America. At least you go still see better people. All the people where you drop people for junction. Say more like come we got that can't do all these things. Even sometimes say people where you go pay for junction say they will even do a better pass. Because they wear pants. Now only that one you want me we see for the music, not be because you know like say you ready you for do and way. It's very bad. When I not declare for bad thing. Korra get good voice, get nice voice. If you they sing, you go see. But I don't know why she she not find person where go put am through. Or maybe he see or where they go tell her money, he go wrong. No, say some people be like that. Like Korra now, where be say no one change money, no one touch money. Now money they control. Eh? If you see person where put you through, you don't even need to the naked self. Only the voice. Even though say na sit down, now you tell do what you want to do. It go enter. Eh? What did that one mean? Where you go to wear pants? No, not the pants self. The thing where you wear, me, I don't understand that. You want to shake your bum, good. But not be so. Put something under. Put something under. Can you your wallet they go call you for you? I know they marry you. Now they do one like that. Now make a, you know see where it tell you now you where the right for yes. So when it tell you now someone go vote for them, una go agree vote for them. Una no vote, una no go. Una no agree go. Eh? Una love one. Why not go vote for them? Eh? Una no agree go. You can't they cry for una head for them. Eh? People where they tell them true. Korra should have got to the correct people. Of course, now that one. You see, now that one me they talk, or when this one come they talk about the BG for you. If I go to people where really, you understand. When you go do one, social media go shake. Say, wow, Korra, you really go Nigeria, now you go by yourself. You know, same person. You know? Not be told they do, I don't want to spend money. I don't want, maybe they tell and say, Korra, see money where we want to take. You go say, eh? What I want use and do? Now house I want buy. But you know say all those people where be say then they do their music, then they spend money put. Eh? When you spend money put, you go see what you really sometimes you go even spend money, the music not go. But you when they go see and they really know say yes. Eh? Now only you want come they dance for them. Those one they come they look your bum. I don't understand. Eh? Only you want dance. You know put people where be say yes. When we go see we go say, eh? Korra, you too try or this one now oga. Eh? Small children where be say you want give them five naira. Now you pick for road. You go to do one for street for them. You will do one for them. All your nyash there for grant. No good, Korra. Don't they do like that? Don't they do like that? Use your money, not let money they use you. Eh? If you want to do something where you know say it day for you, because you don't tell where she they plan this thing or not be today. Don't tell where they plan now. Do it well. So that we can say, wow, this thing where you really do so. Korra, we cut them for you. I don't know whether people did the way go say they cut them for you. No, say all you say fakey people where be say. They will come and tell you, say, you try well. You don't do anything for them. Korra, even me, I go fit do that. What you do for them? Collect people for streets. When I come, we come they do this one. I'll come they shake my bum. Not be only that one. Now that one you go do, now you leave your children. Korra need manager. She fear go let her get manager. Only a problem. You know, so this manager, if you don't give them money, you are join your own. She need that. Even before she go to Nigeria herself. Now the manager go do everything. Everything. He go ready her. Everything go make it go sweet. Eh? Everything go sweet. You go spend money put. They not the fear. Now your money. Eh? I don't know where you want to carry and go. Eh? Spend your money you don't want to spend. Eh? Even those people where even they in Nigeria self, she not let them do what you do yesterday. She not let them do. So if the person tell you something, you go they cry. Your fans go come they cry for you. Why are you talking to Korra? Why are you doing this? The truth, una no go fear, no let una tell them. Yeah? What you na see yesterday? People where they Nigeria, they go do and the answer is no. They go they even shame to do that kind of thing. Eh? Pick people for streets, come here, we can't do one like this. It was. Don't be smart, you. Don't be smart. That one, no, you don't just can't. If you not just go to Nigeria, for ready first. You understand? For ready, when everything done there, okay. Go get manager, better one. Not say the money they pay you. Eh? You don't know say na money they tell they buy something where is sweet. Now money they tell them. Now they tell they buy what is sweet too. Now make Benin they call and say, woman no really go bed. Food where is sweet. Now money na kill them. Okay? If you don't want to spend money, you're just there. Find manager may help you they do all these things. Eh? They carry yourself up and down. They stress yourself. They run up and down. Not be so. You know, say person way no want make them eat the money. That's all then they be. That's all then they be. Go say no. I go do one. This one maybe find some money, talk to some people, where go help out. When they go give them prize, it go wrong. You go say no. Me will first tell Lagos. Now you want to tell me this? I will do it by myself. All those people will be say money. They know they use money till they play with somebody. Person like Korra. You not see luggage. You can't tell and say, hey, you go get manager. Manager just tell and say, see how much I go take. You go say, for small music where I want to do, now you call us small. But you go arrange jam for you. You go arrange jam. People go say, wow. You go carry Ubaleto. Go put a time where be say 1900. 1900. The attire of 1900. Go put for it. Oh, Korra, you for people, Auntie. They're not gonna tell you. They're not gonna tell you. They're gonna tell you say you just try. You don't do anything for them. All those one where be say the dance where they dance for America, it better pass the one where you go do for Africa. Better pass Africa where be say they go organize you where they go do everything. Imagine she price. No, really. She price for inside salon when they want to do her. I don't watch the video. Korra don't go fall our heart. You know who give them. You know pay. You don't give them. You don't give the extra money. Say, Mona tell this one, tell drink beer. Mona tell drink coke. Korra no go do one. Fear no go let them do one. You say, the price for her is a low boy. I believe say sister go the shame. Go say which kind of person be this one? Korra know they do like that. Is they very bad oh. How we want to Korra now? She not give anything. This one not good though. Now make time they look at even the Korra. They even be like person we come from abroad. You know even be like, may we leave that one. May we just leave her. I don't even believe say Korra they use cream till they rub self. Even oil. You know say sometimes you know fake account you are everywhere. Okay, they reflect somebody. Whether Korra they use oil. Me I not say cream. Oil till they rub her skin. You know say Korra get good skin. But it too dull. It too dull. The skin like I don't know as I want to talk. Not say her sister where in Nigeria. No matter what, that one skin they okay. Korra change many things where they do. It's not good. Will they tell you the truth, Will they tell you the truth? See your sister where in Nigeria. It bam pass you where you will be say you go now where you go up where you come for abroad. Korra need prayer. And they call. Korra need prayer. Oh. Okay. Korra need prayer. Well. I don't add you. Accept her for that sake. Korra need prayer. Well.
Mama,
I greet you.
I give you. You dey talk say Korra no dey use screen. Now today you know.
Now today
I go like a banana cream.
I just know. I just dey watch her. You understand?
Yeah, no go like Korra buy cream. Oh.
Hey.
Korra will go buy cream for waiting now.
Hey.
She can never buy cream.
I just dey notice her. You know, she just get her to be.
Now true you talk. She have a very beautiful dark skin, but she does not know. She don't know how to maintain it.
True.
Now I understand the kind of celebrate. You people that is saying Korra is a celebrate. How many of you don't go meet her for Nigeria? Now she did Nigeria.
They don't go.
How many of you was there now to celebrate her? Nobody.
They don't go.
You are not there. I mean, just a celebrate for mouth. Una they call her celebrate the ginger for the.
They don't go welcome man. Not be lie.
Una not go welcome man. I even say the nobody they even say Korra. No only time it una for the come. They say leave Korra, leave Korra.
Yeah.
I didn't see any of you go welcome. See the hair that Korra did. Nigeria, when they do better hair.
Better
like
one.
What is it?
Better one. People don't say you don't get hair. Because they don't say one.
Nigeria. Now una so-called manya celebrate. Go do a day. My grandmother might do that kind of hair where they call her head.
What of the car way come there? Gonna break table leg go.
Now my grandmother do that kind of hair. What I go hair from now? All those Nigeria fans, enemy. Korra is my fans. Korra is loved. Nobody know Korra for Nigeria. I'm telling you people.
No, nobody know. Not social media. Social media.
They're not for social media as a naked woman.
Yeah.
I continues to say it. People that is following Korra, that they use that they ejaculate. Mona go quote me in anywhere.
Don't be lying.
Nobody know. Who know for that music industry? I mean, if I go Nigeria, go see whether it will come up in the music industry in Nigeria. It can never. Not beside the talk. Don't
be lying.
They think. Nigeria have a singer. People always have been sing. Korra not even they close.
Not there.
Those people, they just they push her empty. She's empty. Una just they push empty gallon. They deceive her. Say she's a bit down. If street talent in Nigeria, people with the street freestyle music, Korra not even they close. Now me they tell you now.
Yeah.
All those ghetto children that they sing to the Korra is not close. So that's what just to be give or take, but you don't know give opportunity. You don't know how to use them.
Yeah.
I forgot that. They say we must celebrate. We must celebrate the Nigeria. Wanna go white come out.
Oh yeah, nobody go.
You do be the one that can't take the surrender hell. At least now, so culture. When Nollywood that all. If you enter street, you will not say yes. Somebody celebrate don't arrive for street. Korra there Lagos. How many of you went to welcome Korra?
And some fans they let go for them.
I'm gonna get the audacity. They saw justice. Una celebrate. We not even know how to sing. We not know how to dance apart from to naked. It's Nigeria. You people should go and welcome her.
Hey.
See her when you see makeup. Even you dead Nigeria, you still the naked. You think that they will because of your. You know how many naked girl boys they see for Nigeria. Beautiful one like that. Not be all those speckles where it be like say mangoes full up. Where you there? Rita. But be say even fowl and dog don't want for eternity. Even though say top celebrate supposed to associate with you, they can never associate with you because you are a naked woman. You are a disgrace for yourself. Go
wrong, not be nice.
Celebrate now. They will not for you.
Yeah,
anybody you push, they will run. They will never associate with you.
Yeah.
They don't love you. You don't have self-respect.
Oh, wow.
They disrespect yourself. They disgrace yourself. You think you are popular. Where is your sister? I thought you and your sister get fans, so-called fans for Nigeria.
They don't know.
You did Nigeria now. You are empty. You are empty vessels. Nobody knows you.
Hey.
Nobody knows you. This to show you a lesson. If you will ever learn lesson, Korra. This to show you a lesson. Say no, all those people, puppies who are in Nigeria, they don't give a shit about you. They don't give F about you.
You know what? Korra be get good voice. So if you listen well. But the problem when she gets, She know, you know, please use money put. You know, see person where go direct hand. Or maybe, I don't know if they talk and the money they pay her.
Mama, Korra don't have good voice. If he go vocal school, maybe, probably. You don't listen to street children from Nigeria which they sing. Korra not get voice. They will leave that in there. You don't get good voice. Make him go vocal school, maybe see whether he will improve.
Yeah.
Talent for Nigeria. Korra not even dey close. If Korra go talent hunt for Nigeria, he will fail water. Now me they tell you. You know talent where they Nigeria.
Yeah.
The only talent when he gets not to naked, not to wear pants, which men like to watch. Finish.
That's so not true, sir.
Which dance is the dance? The same dance. Did you know they watch Nigeria? You know see different style of dance when Nigeria kids they bring out.
Then they dance well. Don't be
They
like.
dance well. The same dance. Nice color they dance. See, wasu. Nothing changed. Maybe they tell una billionaire. She's a billionaire. She not fit do hair. She's a billionaire. She not fit do makeup. She's a billionaire. She not fit buy clothes wear. Now poor billionaire.
Okay, wait. My sister, when you wait, person want talk for this side. Oh yeah, because I did do something.
No, I don't be saying. Big celebrity.
Yeah.
How many times you don't see celebrity when they shoot? The celebrity they shoot video for streets of Lagos.
Yeah.
Everywhere that they be like carnival.
Don't be like.
They be like carnival. It's not gonna follow. Let's say gonna go to bridge.
Hey.
I'm not gonna tell you. I don't know who. I'm not gonna tell you the lowest person for Nigeria right now.
Hey.
So tell me compare when they shoot video for streets where people don't follow.
He go fool. I need to show you. Yeah.
So let me just compare her with one of her friends, a very good friend which she knows, waiting for Lagos. So there is called Jemena. She know her. The girl is sweat. She did sweat like half their friend.
Yeah.
You see Jemena, I would say she's there abroad. You know, they open her body like her. So because the girl know the coach where she did, they know they accept that thing. Not only I've seen her. This is not like I'm just blabbing. I've seen Jemena face to face. She's pretty, but she's a sweat. Not only on Instagram, then you go for see this girl, but you can never see a lap on the street. Never. She's married. She has a baby. She should have come out like this. She should have wear jeans.
Yeah.
She should have come on. She should have wear long gown. But she don't marry her. Now she had experience to come here and all those things that go to decay and all those things will come after. But you can never see her body outside. That's how celebrity is supposed to be. Like as big as mighty as Beyonce.
Yeah.
You can never see her
No.
on the public.
No, they're trying to be Korra past Beyonce. People.
From that, you can never see her body. That's how Korra is supposed to behave.
Yeah.
Anybody, I don't like people. I love her.
Yeah.
She's good.
Yes.
She's good in dancing and she's good in music. But the other thing is that, like, girl, you need to package that. You need to package your body.
You need to get a manager where go put on
You need
through.
to make your body just right. Like, everybody stand for us to your camera.
Yes.
Camera. You don't want time to see your skin. I don't care how for inside. When I'm out, you get it. What's this on that?
Yeah, go sure.
Imagine that day when she got that award, this the way they go, where they do award, where they press up. People, everybody put them. People could not hold her like their own colleague. Because even when they told her to stop twerking, she said, that's impossible. But how do you those people want to do music with you? I know they do
good voice.
Korra is good. She's good in dancing and she's good in music.
Yeah.
But the other thing that package you. Package, let them tell package. Gary, where would they buy for market? If you don't really go to the package, that's what it's
Not be nice.
no matter what you buy for gold for 500 or 100.
You double the money.
If you go for package, nobody just Gary for you. You go buy it for 2,000. You go buy it for 2,000. That is for packaging. You don't buy good clothes. You don't. It's not like making money. You don't buy good clothes. You don't look.
At all. Very dirty human being.
Jesus. Well, then I got. Don't be nice. For where? That was a man go. It's a man go one corner. Yeah. Good name with the country. Yes. At least for 10 days, they will be there for you. I mean, I really enjoy it. They buy for street to go.
Her sister is also greedy like her. If you think she's interested her money make food, you're not family.
Really? Oh, wow. Hey, not there. Now, no, they carry you like, no. They don't leave them. No, they used to, they pursue you, they go. Yeah. That's why she know it will come.
No. Imagine you are saying video. The sister is not there. Okay, let's say okay, she's not a music type. Me and my colleague, we asked you to take for work. She said because her sister is in mainland and this one they island, but it doesn't matter.
No matter, my sister.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Island and Lagos, island and mainland, not traffic. But if you dedicate your time, why you would stay for Airbnb and that kind of choose my house?
Yeah. The sister may say they go, may not call spoil the house for them.
Come they give her a driver, you get her.
Come they go, may not call spoil my house.
Hello?
Yes.
Mama, now hotel so that they stay.
Maybe she gets a point.
They said,
Sister not agree make you stay her house.
oh, not the blind my sister.
I come for your
No,
platform.
not there. No.
Nothing.
Not there.
Nothing at all. Nobody should tell me, oh, correct this. No. You see, for this travel, I'm a very big Korra fan.
Yeah.
And they comment, and they give her stuff.
Yeah.
You see what she go Lagos so, now they believe to time many situations, bloggers, they talk.
Okay.
Now they believe. Not welcoming. Like, you know the kind of thing. The big celebrity. Imagine you are in you go bank. Somebody say it's not Korra. It's not Korra. And you go to get Korra. You want to take a picture. I didn't take a go take a picture with you.
You understand? This one now, wow. Hey, yeah.
You want to take a picture? It's not no.
Bitch. This one, now, this one, lad, though.
I do take things. That kind of woman, nakedness. You walk on snap and you walk on your poster.
For where?
Yeah, go let you poster.
Which kind of say that one now, the one where they walk for street.
Not say but this time, even as Siwa said him come outside rich. Siwa not sit fire and need test for outside.
Sure you understand. You see?
Siwa said, even as everybody see Siwa said Siwa not try and what they say she wants to stick naked for outside. Say, oh, people don't see my body that make I just naked finish that. No.
Hey.
She not try her.
And so
She not try her. I don't know the kind of person where they feel.
no, na social media.
Get fans. None of fans. Your fans. They're not coming for airport.
No.
They will see you for road. Nobody will want to take Joe Korra.
I don't know. Nobody know Korra. Now locality they worry am.
Yeah.
Now locality.
Now wow.
Korra go Nigeria. Now your sister come Nigeria, come Poshan, go hotel. If Mama, I tell you, say that family now hungry family. And people don't believe me. They are so hungry, desperado. And Korra is there. Korra.
Somebody say why must she stay her sister house? If you not stay her sister house, wait till she get. Not be only her sister there for there. Get another person. At least now that very day when you say you come, they finish. You know they there again. And you want to say no go one way. You say me stay for there. Talk my sister. They hear you. Yeah.
You not say I don't fit tell you say make una forget. You just even the Korra papa see suit where he carry go buy for Benta select for Ajekule when he wear go white come pikin. Pretend say the Korra na their money ritual and they tell you Korra na their money ritual. Okay, if Korra na really a singer, why not get your manager? Her sister will say not get that will be your manager. I think guarantee you say if you see the way Nancy tell they live, Nancy is living good. Why Korra is living like a garbage?
Yeah.
Even go Nigeria, no better clothes. But Nancy, you are wearing better clothes. They are using Korra. And second, let me tell you the truth of the matter. Now Korra is their ticket. But that is Papa where Bele be like pot where they say they do sacrifice. But Nancy and the Papa, Korra is their ticket. Korra, not their money ritual. Korra is just like a black sheep in the family.
Yeah, it did like that.
Even Nancy not give F about Korra. I mean, they tell you.
Not be like.
Forget the sex love when Nancy show. Nancy not care about Korra. Now the money, how you will take get more fans for Facebook. Now Nancy gave it about. If you care, knowledge will be Korra's sister. When they go prevent you. Tell your sister make you go stay hotel. I don't see a lot of people when go from abroad travel, they will stay their sister house.
Yes.
Are you afraid now Korra will naked or put toto for your husband?
No.
You follow her. As you knew what your sister is doing on social media is totally wrong. But you were because you don't care about the girl. You don't give F about her or her children. You are so selfish and desperate, and if you and your papa, you people are so irritating. As you also come from Nigeria to America, now you narrate about Korra history, how Korra take come up for house. You are the one that let people know Korra is a Vabangon daughter.
Yeah.
Now, I should let people know. We show that you don't even care, you don't love that girl. Now pretend nice you take. You as your papa, you people, you should just be ashamed of yourself. Your papa will come and say, my daughter, you don't care.
That makes her not come up for house that time. You know, Korra say you don't come up for house. You know where they say they do.
Yes. Let me tell you, papa will come and just say, wait, they welcome me picking for help, pretend to the crack crocodile tears. Wait there. Why Korra not go stay papa house? They not go agree.
They don't leave her alone for one corner. They don't leave her for one corner.
Mama, they not go agree.
Yeah.
They see family like that. They will never accept. They not give a if we said just wait. Nancy, then they get plan. If everything we Korra what they buy now, he go they use Nancy name because he and Justice they share that they divorce so that they not say she get access. My mouth will say here. When the time don't reach, you will see say all those things and Nancy will come out give it children. When Nancy America, when call her children, call Nancy mama, you not see bad eye when it tell look.
That's what they talk. Say me not call them mama say not be mama.
You not see bad eye. You not say care. You not follow us. You not say if Papa Korra Nancy they give the F a Bakora, they don't care.
They don't for one corner.
Yeah, my Papa what have. Una they talk say princess of Uga. I don't investigate that. Nobody know them as a princess. Up here, they don't know them. Nobody know. If king reign in your family does not mean you are a princess. Papa not even dead close to king. Or no, maybe a princess of bush.
Good afternoon.
I want to talk to this Ebele. What did they call you? Now one man I will buy you.
Who be a
you
baby?
hear me?
Who be
your hand where you take time this rubbish where you type for years, so before this Christmas when they come to like week load, I go cut that your hand off.
Who be that one?
Person will still put like, we put love for this your comment. So now go back, I go buy una.
Wait.
Week load.
Wait.
This rubbish because she don't invite una here.
Who did that? I know. Wait, my sister. Tell me the person. Tell me. And they come because no, say they do something for this side. They not invite anybody. Yeah, see what you write. Yes, yeah. Why not say that?
So that it be like dog.
No, that's
One of our adult sisters will come and they do this kind of thing. I know what in our adult present and make her eye see.
Yeah.
And now they clap and follow Korra now. They don't they clap and follow Korra now. They give the poor carefully.
Yeah.
They better talk to him carefully. They to take down for they clap and they follow the open to talk for everywhere.
Now so they be. Who read that comment? Respect yourself, respect yourself, okay? Me, I not block you. No matter say they do something, respect yourself. I don't know what you say you right. Don't do that to you. You know.
She right. He said, madam, advice. Help your family first, idiot. How you go come to the elderly woman like this? You know your mama that idiot.
I will block you. Now, no, say they block well. Not try them again. Now, first one will be this one. I know they give again, okay? Because I they do something. I they do meat pie for you. Not let me block you. And so they be. Hey. I don't know for them. Now, my baba star.
Don't be so far waiting. Put that for people banana.
Wow.
You're supposed to be shame.
They don't get to. They don't get shame. What they do something? You go love van.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
They know they tell her the truth. They know they tell her the truth. Yeah, she just there for grants. Hey, Jesus.
But they are people that they clap for her. Which they do rubbish. And she they destroy herself, they go. Like joking, that's go take end down. Joking, that's go take end down later. Mama, I bet I don't tell you that. Daddy, but people just say nobody feel help.
No.
You need to come the right.
No. You know what? You know one thing. You know one thing, my sister, because I they do meat by my hand, just I know they even do. You understand? I for block her. I for block her. I'll go look her, go block her, don't worry. Then when they not sense you, now know me, man. We there here with the talk about it. Yeah.
I don't know if I tell that fake account.
That's how they be. They know they agree make their sister open your show.
She don't get children. And the children that I get. How do they consider that one?
They don't agree make their sister open your for grant.
sister, Benin sister here, come outside.
And they don't even agree, make their son marry Korra.
Yeah.
She wants teach her how to do this, how to do that. Many people follow her up. They make sure they pursue that broken enter.
Yeah.
They don't tell them that they start the Korra when they don't know where to go.
And they come here and find the person.
They don't like it now. Other people now that they like.
Yeah, find out. Yeah,
The
find out.
person they give that poor girl a classmate.
Yeah.
When she think the answer tomorrow, we don't finish from this year. And I should be the first person now. When they plan for Korra.
Yeah.
How they see serious, how they don't know they are left from their rights.
Yeah, wash my hands. Yeah,
Come for here, they come for here, come for here, come for here.
Yeah, so
How they come for one map?
Therefore, we are. Yes, yeah.
Come for it, come for continue, come for this one.
But I said, I don't see the person.
You come up on the job, the pepper, who you want pepper?
Yeah.
Who you want pepper?
I don't ban them.
And if you want to write it here, you go cover all your body. If you want to shut down, your body, they go cover all.
Yeah.
You don't have to feel anything. You pursue my own, our house is the enter out. You give up the partner going to be our own. Because I make you name. So then they follow Korra.
Now so they be. Now so they be. Now so they be. Who be that one? I know. Who be that? Thank you. I don't block the person. More than not, then because I do something. If I do something like this, my sister continue. I don't see the person. I don't block her.
You they do meat pie also.
I do meat pie.
I do meat pie. I do meat pie too.
You not see me. I they do the same thing for years. Now they do for years. And they use what I say they do. I say maybe we just the talk for this thing for them.
No, like I said,
yeah.
Korra family, they are worst enemy. They see family like that. That you worst enemy. You understand me? And Korra, I don't know what to call that. He say when it come out on social media, say he don't divorce, he don't celebrate. Was thinking if he go Nigeria, don't start celebrate what they say. Hey, marry me, hey, Sha. The next person that will marry you, he go shoot your head. Go and mark it. The next person that will marry you, Korra, that person will pretend to love you. He will make sure he dry you up. Go mark today days. Show that they thought just because now they eat Korra money, we go see. The next person who now wait the mama where they thought say where they support Korra. Korra don't divorce. Why una not allow una son or una brother to marry him?
No,
allow your son or your brother to marry Korra with 2 children. And after marrying Korra, Korra will still be coming on social media to be naked.
This comment again. What did they call you? Happy solo. Happy solo.
Another one don't come again.
Happy solo. Happy solo. Why you not go for a platform? That's the reason I like what this they do. Let's go for the kill you.
No one. Young women, sister.
Why you not go that punish you? Happy solo.
What the happy solo?
Like we don't like to hold down your hands. Say dear father, get related. What are the platform?
No, leave man.
Why you tell that fake account? If she went to do you like that, why you not take your picture? Happy to know so that go kill you. You slept with you.
Happy solo. Maintain yourself. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my sister. Nika one then. Okay, Nika one then. You don't do okay? They don't they call for my class. They don't they call for here. If you come here, you can't watch. You see whether they call Korra for here. We they try to tell them. Okay? Don't call. Not call here. Call they make comments. Make on the call so. Or maybe you call the top of people where everybody gets their own opinion. You feel your sticker just now. Come they tell me, say, no, Korra, this one. You now see the kind video where we do last week. Nobody make any problem for them. We not cause ourselves. Everybody talk their opinion. People when want to talk for Korra, oh, good, they still talk. Who wants to talk for the other side? Good, they still talk. So happy solo, I don't want to block you, okay? I beg.
Mama, my sister wait come. I know say get such coming they pay. All those commenters, you will also know say most of them, they don't even know what it be life.
No, as far as we know the cause Korra for you.
Many of them don't know. Some of them don't know what it be like. Not parent-headed because of them. Those kind of people, not to employ them. Now ignorant, now they worry them. Now then they push Korra, they enter also. They are pushing Korra. They don't allow Korra to take advice from the wise people. They are ginger her, pushing her. People that is advising Korra, they don't hate Korra. No. People who talk where Korra for go wrong. No, but they don't hate them.
Nobody hate them.
That is comment.
Nobody hate them.
Yeah, nobody hates some people that is coming. Oh, Korra, you are doing great. You are so you people are the haters. You refuse to tell this guy what you are going is wrong. If Korra want to be a good singer, go and take vocal class.
Yes.
When you are a singer, you can still be doing business. Korra, you have no business. Beyonce, they do business. Rihanna, they have business. Have your company. What is your company? Nothing. You are not doing anything apart from social media. Get a good manager. May I tell you, Korra, if you like, you take. Abandon that your so-called family for 1 year, you will see your progress. They are the ones sitting down on your progress. I'm telling you, they hate you to the core. All those fake love, you cannot see it because you think now they are the one that love you most. No. If you watch your sister very well, he has no single love for you or talk less of your children. What that one cares about is about her and her children, and that her husband will be like Mala. Korra, take a 1 year, block them, focus on your life, get a good manager, go to vocalist class. You will see the ratio will come out. You will see that time they will be saying, this is Korra. Be sitting down, allow your sister to sit on top of your head. You can never be progressive. You will never be progress. You can only come on social media and say, what? Get a 1K viewer. Finish.
Oh, wow.
Your sister will be using your name to climb. Waiting on other people see far about you, Korra. She will not see it. People that is wise, waiting they see concerning your future. You can never see. If you like climb on top of tree. People that is talking to you, they know what they have seen. They know what is coming next. Go to vocalist class, go school, get something that you will hold on in future. I'm telling you, I repeat this thing. You live in America, it's an opportunity land. You can still be doing your waswa, then do your vocalist class. Concentrate, take 1 year off. Concentrate on that you're singing. Go to the vocalist class, go school beside it, Korra. Take 1 year off. You will see when you come out, you will come out with speed, with full force.
Don't be nice.
But if you continue like this day on social media, doing nonsense, become old people, see here, nonsense air you play, go Nigeria. Korra, I guarantee you go and market from now to 3 years, it would be like football, where they pull hole, it will make. Nobody will hear about you. Even that your sister, I talk at that time. I said, this your sister where they see so. If God forbid bad thing now, they carry you go back to Africa. She will be the one to pursue you. She will never allow you in her house.
You don't even leave her for street now when they never even deport her.
They never even deport you. She did not even allow you stay her house. Talk less if they can't deport you. This is the time to use your tongue to count your teeth.
Not true.
They take you as a fool in that family, especially your papa and that's your sister. It is because of your name your sister built her page.
Nah.
It got to America, they say subscribe. You use your name, monetize. Do you think he didn't come to America to amend your marriage? He come to monetize her page.
Don't monetize the page.
Your father came out pretending to say he cared. Your father did not care. He cared about his women
As
that
he
he was
then
cheating around.
now then they suppose know. Now then she was supposed to know whether they love her or not.
They don't love her. They don't love her. Not be nice even let people know who is Korra. How she behave. If really sister who loves the junior sister, I'm sorry, I can never bring my own junior sister come and say, do you know how she behaved when you were little? She's a vagabond. She ran away. No.
When you know, say people they follow her, come they disgrace her.
You disgrace her to the core. And so you will come and please, that's my sister. Fake love, fake cry. Your father is crying fake cry. Your father only care how to carry women. He don't care about you. Go and mark it. And a time will come in your life. If you do not make a step now to change your life, a time will come, you will put hand in jaw. You will regret. You will say, I wish the advice they were giving me, I wish I know I should have taken it. And it will,
because she fell wrong for them, you know. She talk and she use a man to talk.
You fell wrong. You come. Why now? They come back. I believe that Nancy also said you people were not talking for years. Why they come back? Because money. You know they make social media money. They want it. Send me money. Which work your papa they work? Where carry like part of this thing? Where were your father when you the road come up for house? Go China. Go they do what for China? Where was he? If you really stand as a father, where did your father did not help you out? Now they carry pot belly come and they say, Korra, take a share out of your family. Let them not to interfere in your life and see the change. You get a family like that when they give back luck. Now your family be. I'm sorry to say, but that's the truth. Do you think those two beautiful girls where you get for America, they care? They're not care. God forbid bad thing. They will never call those children to say hi. How are you doing? Especially that your papa. When you go carry prick, put off another woman, take us. Now you go come get time. Call children when they say hi. They will never even that your sister. Don't give a shit.
When you say sister, if you can call and say mommy, say they're not calling mommy.
Mommy, not your mother with a bad eye.
Jesus.
Now she said they come, they disgrace you. Yeah, where you just play it not good. That hair not good. Now that one is
I want to wear this shoe. My sister, if I go person house, the shoe where I wear come say this shoe not fit stay my house. He carry and go through. Well, meaning I'm not welcome to that house.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly. Okay. Now, waiting come make you not stay your sister house. She thought that you're highly welcome. We welcome you. I've been at by welcome people in airport. Waiting not make your sister, not in Nigeria where people from Europe if they go, their sister when they use food, they pursue them.
What you want it? Yeah, big this one. Yeah, big your dad.
Nine not fit cook for you. Nine not fit cook better food for you.
Leave a man go there.
Fake love, eh? If you allow you go rent house for hotel, make you not open your peckles for her husband. Korra, Nancy, she is ashamed of you.
Don't be lying.
I never tell you.
Don't be lying. That one
she's ashamed. She look you like a sister.
So which kind of sister be this one where John the nickel they go? Yeah, she yes, for ground.
Mama, she's ashamed of her. Even when Korra there her house, see the way she was looking at her. And Korra now, you know, sabi behave. I said they open yash everywhere. And hey, go say make you not corrupt the children.
Now so now. Now so.
She said they not corrupt the children. And your husband dead here. Where her husband not go put to go for her husband. She's ashamed of her.
She think another thing.
She Nancy thought say she Korra they do one big where they want build mansion for Nigeria. I thought so. I be this one don't buy them. Una millionaire, una billionaire. Una billionaire. Korra is in the international, not only internet.
Only
Since when Korra dey Nigeria? How many weeks Korra don dey in Nigeria? How many of you puppies wey dey Nigeria? Wey dey color? How many of you don't go wrong? Miss Korra tell selfie say, Korra, what fans? I'm your fan. How many of you?
I'm your big fans.
Una
Social media they for the do that one.
Una don't see Korra for far distance. Una can't realize say na locality.
Hey.
Say you say be like people who live in Ajekule. All of you are wrong.
They're wrong.
Better clothes, you not fit buy. Now America, night clothes come cheap pass. You not fit buy gonna clothes where you take card. No, where you were pregnant. Now you wear go Nigeria. Swear. Or not disgrace. Now you really beat to yourself. Now make your family despise you. They despise you to the Korra, eh? If you not know, let me tell you, go and change your way.
Change your way for it.
Change your way. If you not change your way from 93 years, you will they put hand for job. They say, I wish I should have taken advice. You see, all those your mama, my mama, my American that mama, they won't leave you. Everybody is looking a way to build their page. And they must push you. They must pretend say they love you so that they will build their page. Maybe with they watch, not only 1 year a day now. You never even reach 1 year. Maybe we still ready no reach next year. Next 2 years, you will see it will be like football. Not because so, but that is just the fact. If you not change,
I pray
your way. Now you they teach you pass. You not get anything to give. Now so to receive. You then Nigeria, sure you disagree play with nasty children. How many times you play with your children like that? You did not if your children just if you go carry your children, will be like say you carry shit. You go frown face. You'll be like say the stress. How many times have you played with your children like that when you tell them follow nasty children? Anytime. Just kukuma leave the children for their father.
Not so now.
Your things go Nigeria. Go they do your stupid thing. Let Ajekule boys vandalize you. Because you belong to Ajekule boys. No top celebrate will associate it. You go and mark it. Where they know you. Even you use your mouth, Fino tell you say maybe not the naked for TikTok. Fino use the talk. You think say Fino can't say you can't. Wait, what will you think? Say you just come video yourself. Korra is in Nigeria. Everybody will come out.
I mean, the fans then that Lagos. Nobody even go.
Is that what you were taking Korra? If you just video yourself, the Korra is in Nigeria. They will rock come out. You don't jump rock. You never see something. It's just the beginning. That Nigeria, if you go back to America, you go reason your life. You go sit down, calculate your life. If you get sense, so because I believe that you will not ever get sense. Then sometimes you get senseless. Mama, may I leave you, Jare?
Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Don't be Korra fans. Thank you, my sister. Wow. Okay, I see one comment just now. You say, Mama, no be you guys, no be you at the talk to. Okay, happy waiting the corner. I don't hear. My people, now so we see the Torio. It good sometimes. We're gonna talk the truth. You say Korra, don't be Korra fans. It's not faking her life. Nobody talks say the fake in life. Okay? When they talk about the way we attend you yesterday, not see the music, not see what you hear. Not see what you hear. That one, and that one good. That one a good thing. Sometimes we not be say to say one insult or no. You know, say sometimes you the thing say what you they do and the right thing. But when people come they tell you, now you come and know say okay, this one not there okay. Who go wear that kind of thing for Nigeria? You go say because of say you want to shoot in music. You go wear that kind of thing. They're not go ask them whether it don't the color for inside. So now supposed to still they tell them. No matter say I love her. Me I not hate her. I not do me anything. Maybe say I want hate her.
But when something not good, now somebody go still talk am. If something still good, now somebody go still talk and say this one they okay. When I think say the way we call her be, as it then I just who go look and say this one they responsible. They not look. Oh. This one we just when she just there for grant. So. And she go even be very careful for Nigerian people. You know, say our people, all those one where they say that they put something for any hole where they see they go shoot something put. When woman they open body like that, it's me say I beg come put her for inside. You are free to go. When you go jam, those one where they say their hair not correct. Yeah, and the truth. You know, not be America you did. Try to cover yourself. That music where you do yesterday, Korra get a nice voice. I will still talk, okay? The voice is okay. The waiting not good. You need to get manager where go there, do all these things for you. Don't say you go to Nigeria, go to stress yourself, go to cry, go to do this one. No, not good. Go to pick people for streets. When I come here, we just do a back. So you don't see people where this say they really they hear their name. If they want to do something, they go do and where. Now money that they put. Now money they know they talk say this money and no one put on for year, no one doing like this. No, they get their manager where they tell them what they want to do. Everything where they do, they know they stress themselves because now their money they talk. Fear not they let Korra put money for something. See the kind of pants where you go wear pants for them. Now she just there. See your skin. See people where you did there. Their skin be like people where they abroad. I don't understand though. You not see the pay Korra now. If fans where be say then we talk about Korra, they'll just they cry for comment section. We know they beat them. We tell them the truth. But inside how she is responsible. I don't know. Now inside they see. Now outside they see my person. Now outside, when man go see the way you tell do now the way you tell do, now go say no, say this one. You know go come look inside. Now outside you go fair look. Then she was shooting a video. She dey shoot a video. She dey shoot a video. But you don't see the this thing. Now so they tell they do one. May we talk truth. Now so that all those people will be say that they sick there. Now so they tell they do one. No, they do one where. Don't be about to shake your bum. You don't say now sit down, you sit down. You don't say now stand, you stand. You don't see all those people where you there. Who you think say? Who you think say? It be like people where be say just collect them, bring one, bring two, bring the other one. I mean we just do one. I mean we come up for them. What if be say she don't be ready? Say she want go do. I want go Nigeria. I want go shoot music. I want go Nigeria. Not be so. This something not good. We will still talk. I don't say she go shoot. Not be so it's supposed to be. Not be so it's supposed to be. Not be told you check your nyash. Find somebody where go they help you, Korra. Somebody will go they help you. Find we go manager. You not get. You go Nigeria, you go they do like all this may we do it together. All this like those people where be said they don't they sing for streets. That's why it be. Because of say fear don't let you spend money. This money now you they work now your money. And this music now what it be say it dey your mind. You love her, you want to one. Do one. Do one. Who money? Get somebody who will help you, who will direct you. Don't be saying now you want to do everything. Say no, the money what they ask me is too big. I'll go give them that kind of money. Then they worry this Korra so. Then they worry Korra. Because say no, the money too big. I go find another person. Maybe we just do one like this. Korra now. Supposed to be say internet go catch fire as you plan now. Because of that one, your daughter, when be say they give breast, you kukuma cut boko. I want to go Nigeria. See Nigeria now. People wey love you, wey be say they're supposed to deal with you, they're not there. They buy food, they eat. Your sister not they cook, may come bring them for you. You don't agree, may you stay in place. When I come Nigeria to run those follow. Oh, she come to Nigeria to make money. She knew that Nigeria for She said she go shoot her music. Okay. Behave well. If they behave well, probably no day. If you know they behave well, now that one ain't no good. Even though say your fans they go they cry one. They know inside them say no good. They know. I believe say them go they disappointed say this thing where we just dey wait since. Now so you go tell one. What if this one? Because they not go ask you. If they ask Korra go cause them. If they write out for them, say, Korra, what you go do for Nigeria? Which country be this one? It be like where they do what they call? All those bad this thing. Now it be. It's not good, Korra. Tell somebody to direct you. And try to still cover up Nigeria. Now you do. Not be abroad though. You not go see somebody where go be say before you know. Now no Nigerians they tell they do something. So that not go count you join those people when their head not they work again. Because when they see say you don't they open your you not see the video yesterday, you not see them. When those people just open eye, they don't they look. Not children still dead there. They say, which kind of woman be this one? Now this one they say come for America. Now so that they press for that side. You feel they naked yourself for this side, but Nigeria, well, can't you join those people? We got of all those that's jewels. Which one dress? Which one be that one where they dress anyhow? Which one? You don't feel say the music now only national Korra just go say make them look. They don't see the national. You don't they see and take. As you said dress yesterday, and I say still cover the nyash, cover them. You want to do something where they important like this, you go do them. Do them make be say wow, you think go they okay. You think say Korra they happy for what you go do. You not happy, you not say no, you not go well. Not because of say you don't want to spend money. Food waste sweet, now money. Now they kill them, okay? Maybe next time. Because I know say you love to dance so all these things, all this music of a team, but people where be say then they you need to learn from them. You need to learn. You need to learn. This Korra is the first person. I don't understand you. First person to do waiting, to open your for grant. It's not be Korra the first person. One of the tell them the truth. One of the thought truth. Korra is not the first person. Korra is not this. Korra is not that. And by force say Korra go stay for his sister. As many comments one not just they put for them. We love our sister. She's coming from America. He come now, and I'm not able to tell her say you are welcome. You are welcome. One not tell her. If they stay for another place, and they stay for another place. It's not fair. I know say what's it for nursing. I know say nursing no need that sister for a house because of say nursing with Korra they two different person and they be. Because the way where that one, you know they see body. You understand? You know they see body. And he get children. The children never see that kind of thing before. Come they see it get as it be and Korra now, maybe if he's there inside a house, you go the nika they go. The way we tell they do for America. So now I made that one come just tell us me go one corner. I understand. Nobody say I don't understand. You go say no come spoil my house. I don't wow. Because when my house, so yeah, we know they do like we know they do anyhow. We be Christian with the wear clothes. My children know they see all these things. with nobody there. Anyway, you say we dey judge her as how. Yeah, we don't dey judge her, we dey tell her the truth. We dey tell her the truth. So that next time, if you want to do something like that, you go know the way you go follow. You go know the way you want to do. Not be like this one. If not by say you want to go open your nyash, then people will come say, wow, this music was like this. Everything was okay. No, it's not by that one. Not be like, not be so. You not see as stress. You know, say able to go Nigeria, you know what, go do something. You dey stress yourself. You go still stress yourself. Doctor say she go do something. Stress yourself. They eat for street. On this plate where they say, you know, say people where in Nigeria, if then they eat, then they go restaurant, go they eat all these things. You where they say you come for abroad. The thing where they say you they go eat. If you eat them, you go young when. Don't be lying. You go young when. Even to drink water, say you get the kind of water where they say you go able to drink. If they drink and they don't get problem, then you try them. You will be say you come from abroad. Try them. You go see yourself. You go see yourself for well, your stomach go hold you. You go know say na Nigeria you come. No, all these things not good. Not good. Well, next time, if you want to do something like this, I beg. Make sure say you get manager. Don't they do nyama? Don't they mind all these people who can they put red dead now? You they put red dead. What can they beat you now? Who can beat you? Who can they beat you? Me not call you for here. You can't hear can they put red dead. You see say they beat Korra. I not beat them. What can they do you now? Put the red dead, make you go. Don't worry, I will block you. I will find you, block your head. Because I not call you for here. I not call you for here. Just they cry. If you cry, finish you will go. So my people, one of the tell Korra the truth. Korra na person wey get nice voice. It's a bit dance. I go still talk. It's a bit dance. The voice is okay. There is something wrong. When something not good, you go still tell them say no good. If you want enter all this music of a thing, you need to get person where go direct you where. Don't be say because of money. You say now only you want do. I know people where they do and they go assist me. I go still the money go still less. But if you can't do, I go come in nyanga not good. People call they look and say what you go do. This one or something. All because of say you not spend money. Spend money on it. Then you go see the results. And people, God go bless you and take off. That one where they put red dead. If you don't cry, finish. You feel they go. If you want to cry, just they cry. Just they you just they cry. If you see where they beat Korra, fear not let you go put red dead. They go use this sort they fire you. They go use this sort they fire you. It will cause your generation. That's I'm not gonna do it. I go find you. I think block your head. Come on for there. I don't get time. Thank you for coming, my people. God bless you. May I continue my meat pie. Now do well. More than they tell Korra the truth. Tell her the truth so that she go change. And I think say this Nigeria where she go, she enjoy her. She not they enjoy her. If you go Nigeria, you stay with your family. People will really love you. You go enjoy them. Let me say you go stay for hotel. You know who they see people where say love you, they're not the gist. Nothing. So you go be like say, what I go do? So go be like say, what I go do this Nigeria where I just go, I not join in general. Face be like that. Another one be like this. Nowhere to talk. I be think say they not get Korra with sister. They're supposed to sit down, they gist. And because of the way she tell they do now, her sister no need that. I'm not to blame her. So me they talk now. I'm not to blame her sister. Because when you know how your house be, you go respect that woman, that one get husband for inside house. You go respect. Your husband will tell and say, this kind of thing, yama yama, I not like how. I know say na your sister, but try to understand, say this kind of thing, I don't need that for the presence of my children. He go obey. He go obey. Then she want to work now. Eh? She want to work. Who want work? Who they work? My sister. He go obey. So I know to blame my sister. In case see people they blame my sister, say no. Sometimes, don't be only you want. Now I get voice for inside house. As far as say your husband did there, you go obey now. If your husband does something, you will say, okay, I don't hear. You don't say na your sister. You go say, I beg. The way where your sister tell they do, I not like her. I not say me you not go greet her, but make she dey on her own. I not need that for years. When my children they see something where they're not supposed to see, you know, say see their children will be say they're small. So I be that one. If her sister go keep her for them, now Korra and I know they do well. Now, you know, especially give. Your kukuma just tell them, say, this thing, I don't like her for my side. Okay, my people. God bless you for being here. Korra do not go to have. She go to work. She go to work to do her music. Now they talk so. She go there to do her music. But the music where she go do, be like say no enter, abi? That's what it's supposed to be. No, what is what it's supposed to be. We go the one for street for there. It be like WETIN. It's supposed to be something where they arrange well. You know, arrange them. Yeah? You know, arrange them. See they dance. You go still collect people where they say they still they dance. The thing go make wow. It was not like that. It's like something where they say they don't call people 1, 2, 3 people. More not come do one like this. That's what it be. Anyway, I wish her good luck anyway. The next time make she wake up for sleep, do what she want to. Get manager, we go there. People will go there, advise her, direct her, do like this, do like this. What is the need? When you get your money, you stress yourself. If you don't get your money, you still stress yourself. No, now. No, now. Now, Nigeria, you know, say Nigeria, now money. Money day, you don't go stress yourself. Now, people will be say they don't even get the money. And then, my sister, I cannot tell her not to stay. Ija! Her sister cannot tell her not to stay at home. The very day when you come, when you go through where you should not stay in my house. What do you mean? You know, say we be with the youth country, they make parable say, are you know what does and you are where they that's what you be. You know, use man take person say, you are not welcome to my house. And the way when you tell do not the person will understand, say you are not welcome. Okay? Everybody not be mumu now. If I go to your house, it be like say your eye get a CB for head. Now me go come no say, okay, I'm not welcome here. If you not come no, now you know. No say some people if you not tell and say come they go, they understand. Unless you go come tell and say, I beg, come they go, I want go out. Now you go come they talk say, it be like say they disturb. And I go say, no, not be disturbed. We get where we they go. Meaning, we not invite you. You are not welcome. All right, my people, see you. God bless you for being here. Now do well to not take on, but more than the talk or the truth. Okay? More tell and say get good voice, get everything, a bit dance. But you know they organize well. You know they do well. Supposed to find somebody where go they help her out. All right? Now your money now they talk when you they do something. Bye for now. Now bye bye. Now continue my next time. Bye bye everybody.